Okay, hi kids. Welcome to year 2021. Good evening to all of you. Well, today your class is definitely going to be just a little touch on the Form 4 English language. Now, to those of you who have been following me from the Form 3, I'm aware that I have been doing enough tasks with you. Plus, I think Teacher Hasaliza also have given you enough tasks to be sufficient enough for this year, and I think we have created for you the platform for you to embark on this year's journey. Right, before we actually commence for the lesson for this year, now the only thing that I need you to know is, well, rather than I say to know, I need you to understand that Form 4 is not as difficult as you think it is. It's actually a language. So when you're learning language, it's all about your vocabulary and what you have learned in your Form 1, Form 2 and Form 3 to just enhance and write better, read better, probably have better vocabularies. Alright, now for that, going to your Form 4 for this year, and these are the two books that you'll be using. That's your textbook. Okay, some of you might have, some of you might not have your books, and probably some of you got it from your digital downloads, and those of you who have not downloaded your textbook, please proceed to do so. And you also have your task book for your Form 4, and another book that you will require for your Form 4 is a long book that is throughout the year. I think we just need one long book for now. Alright, so to commence with this lesson for today, now you've got to understand one thing here. Form 3, you did writing, you did reading, you did listening, you did speaking. And in Form 4, it is the same 4 skills that will be focused on. It is just that, okay, the same thing that I've been always preaching and telling you. If your sentence in primary school is, I love to play football, probably when you're in standard 6, your sentence would be, I love to play football with my friends. And probably in Form 1, your sentence would have been, I love to play football with my friends during daytime. And then when you come to Form 3, I usually go and play football in the evening with my friends in the nearby playground. Now you're reaching your Form 5, your sentence will be way much more complex compared to what you've been processing and providing all these years. Probably a better, a longer sentence, which would actually show your maturity in writing. So that's how you will see the progress in your writing. So you will know to differentiate. Okay, hello, look here, I'm now Form 4, I'm Form 5. I write like a Form 4 student, I write like a Form 5 student rather than a Standard 1 student. So your language actually plays a vital role. Now, what's going to help you to provide a better language is definitely your vocabulary. The words you use will show what kind of student you are, your way, your level of thinking, your maturity in writing. Okay, with that, I'm actually going to talk a little bit on your first topic, and then what will happen is I will give you a task. You are supposed to work on the task. Those of you who do not have access to printers or laptops or data or whatnot, please do notify me if you do not have access to any of this, because I will find an alternative to give you the task that is provided by me. I mean, I'm talking about English, yeah? Alright, so for a start, now we're going to go to the first chapter of your Form 4. You've got to understand one thing, yeah? We can't run away with the textbook. So whatever said and done, the textbook is your Bible. You've got to go with it no matter what you do. Okay, so the first topic in your Form 4 is Let's Chat. And it's about communication. Alright, I'm going to send in an audio. You've got to listen to the audio, and then you've got to answer the comprehension text that follows. Once you're done with that, you will be sending in your answers, including your attendance, and then from there we will go task by task. So today we'll be starting with your listening task. All right. So as I said, I'm going to emphasize again, it's all about your 4 skills: your listening, your reading, your writing, and your what was it again? Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Yeah, the 4 tasks. So all 4 skills are equally important. Yeah. All right. So wait for the task that will be coming in a bit.